Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, now we should be on the final part of making the paintbrush cow. Now, without further ado, let me show you how you do that. First of all, we're going to put it all back together as well as we can, and then we're going to mess about with it and then decide exactly where everything is going to go, which is really exciting, isn't it? It is indeed, yes. So, there's our piece of wood that we're going to stick it onto. Here is the actual brush, and I shall just move over some of the items so you can see what I mean, and then we can decide exactly where everything is going to go. So let me just put this all together as much as I can, and I'm going to stick it on mainly with a glue gun, so just to be aware of that. And there's our little leggies. Now bottom legs, let me see, I might put it like that. And then remember these were slightly curved. You just need to get those to curve around. Like, see that part? That must have been where it went originally, because it's fitting there marvellously. Marvellous. Okay, so we're just going to play around with it now and see where everything looks good. It goes there, perhaps a little one on there, and perhaps that one there. Decisions, guys. But doesn't it look good already? I'm so pleased with it. And perhaps there. Might not stay, but so we could go for something like that. Okay. So, but what I think I will do is I will stick what I can onto the brush, and I won't actually stick the brush and everything onto this until I'm happy with what I've actually put onto the brush, if that makes sense. And then these will be separate, and I'll stick those on after I've stuck down the main brush, because that would be quite simple to do, and we can go from there. So without further ado, let me put all this to the side and decide on what to stick. So what I'm going to do is try and get this off carefully, take that out of the way, and I've got my trusty glue gun. Here it is, hopefully it's hot enough, and hopefully you can see all this, guys. What I'll do is start sticking it down. Now, what I need to be aware of is that tongue, because if it goes there, it's a bit more tricky to stick, because I'd have to stick it, put some glue there and stick it under there. So I want to try and do that. So what I think I will do is put the tongue in first. So I'll take that off and just pop a bit of glue on there and get rid of that wispy bit. So we're saying roughly there. So I'm just going to push that down gently and get that to stay there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is decide where this is going to go. So I just want to put those ears back on. Now do I want them like that or like this? Okay, I think I like it like that. So I shall put this part on now, the actual main. So just a good dollop of glue there. And if you're wondering, hopefully this is going to stick, it will actually stick it, but we will varnish it in two different ways, which I will show you later, and that will help it all stick together, because you'll get all the varnish in between different bits and pieces, and it will create a seal. So that will be very good indeed. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is put that ear on. And just pop that there. And then this one on. It's all exciting, guys, isn't it? Absolutely marvellous. I love doing this bit, putting it all together. It makes it all worthwhile. And just press that down there. Now, with these horns, I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it because it's a bit fiddly, because I obviously run off like that. That one just did, so I might just do it like that. I was thinking about making stick out more, and I could do that, and I think I will do that because I don't like them sat back like that, so I'm going to do it like that. So just put a nice bit of glue on there, and then hopefully this will stick. Now you can see some of the glue there, but don't worry, because once that's dry, we're going to go round it again with with the gouache powder, the black powder, just to cover that up, so give it a bit more of a way of shadow. So now I just need to do the other part. Where is that going? Sort of there. So I think I need to put a bit on there. So that's the trouble with this, because you need to put a fair bit on there to get it to stick. And I think I need to push that over that slightly. Yeah, so there, are we happy with that? It can be a bit wonky because it gives it character. So yes, we've got that going on. So that's all good. And yes, so I'm happy with that. So we've got that on, that on, that on, that on. Let that stick. Now I need to put the nose on. So how should I do that? There, do you think, or there? There, I think. Do you want T-angle, do you think? Now's the time to make the decisions, guys. What about like that? No, I don't like it. I think I still like it as it was when I first did it. See what I mean? So you can play around. Now's the time to play around with it and see where you're happy with it. I think I'm just going to put it on like that because I think that's where it looks best. So a little dollop there and a little dollop there. Okay. And then pop that on there like that. Okay. So let's put the eyes on next. So I just need a little bit on that one. And just pop it there. I'm going to show you guys later how to do the eyes. Now you can either do it with a Posca pen, like a paint pen, and just dab it in, or you can use some of those googly eyes, and I'll show you what I mean by googly eyes later. Because I have some of those, and they give it a bit more character. So there you go, look. So now we've got this going on. Looks marvellous, doesn't it? Absolutely marvellous. Okay, so now we've got these bits. Now, this bit keeps falling off, so I'm going to stick that on without burning this. He says. So that bit's going to go there. There's a wispy bit there, see it? Get rid of that. Push that down gently. That one's going to go there, so let me just put a bit of glue on that. Get rid of that wispy bit, you don't want that. And put that just there, like so. This bit's going like that, isn't it? Because we've already decided that because of that curve. So let's just do that now. Oh, this is lovely. It's really coming together, guys. So exciting. I think I might put that on there, because some cows have black marks on their ears, don't they? So let's just do that. And that goes on there, and push that down gently. That's that. And this bit, I think I said there, didn't I? Because that's the way the curve goes. So I'm going to go with that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And push that on there before it... Yeah, that's it. Okay, so they're all on. Now we've got to do these. And then we've got one on the foot, leg. Okay, so that one's going to go there. So let's just do that. Put that there. That one's got a slight curve on it, so I'm going to put that there. You have to be tricky. It's a bit tricky with the smaller ones because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so that goes there. That one can go where it was. Where was it? About there. Oh, exciting. So we're coming together, guys. Oops, got a wispy bit. I'll try and get rid of that. That's because I took the glue gun away from dispensing the glue too quick. That's why you've got that issue going on. Push that down, and then we've got this one. And where did I say that was going to go? There. There. There, I think. Let's do that, guys. Wispy. And that can go just there. Okay, so that's that. And then on one of these, I've got 2 black bits left. This is quite a small bit, so what I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of glue on there and get that to stop with the wispy bit. There you go, and then pop that like so. You can imagine it going on there. And then I've got another one there, so I'm going to stick that on as well. Let's just see where that looks best. There, I think. So I'm just going to put the glue on there. I'm going to do it slightly different on this occasion. It's up to you how you do it. Put it actually on the foot or not, as the case may be. And then that all goes in there. So there you go, we're all done on that. So what I will do now is quickly take that apart, and then I want to get this and put that on there like so. And then we're going to go something like that. That looks too much the same, so that has to go like that. So it's going to go something like that. Okay. Now there's one more clip I'm going to do, and that's a final shading, and actually decide exactly where it's going to go on the board and stick it all on. So doesn't that look marvellous, guys? Absolutely amazing. Oh, I'm going to put the eye on. So yeah, so there you go, guys. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.